you say one thing and you are not properly consulted, you are left with an egg on the face. And you represent us. So when Mheshimiwa Mweke, your boss is declared number 2, the most corrupt leader in the world, that one even affects me, because he's supposed to be our president. Yani Mundula corrupt duniani, asinde to know president unaumizi wa Syria, adipoziwa adi via Russia, which means now the reigning champion wa corruption, William Ruto. Na usino president wetu na Mweke endatu muamini, endatu amini usino Mundula museo kutoka Indiana kwekata. This budgeting process, and it is not a matter Mheshimiwa Mweke atutumba ne dongo isidizike. The rights under the Constitution are clear. The right to development. Every part of this country has a right to development. We shall never beg Ruto to complete Kibwezi, Kitui, sasa hivi barabara mpita kwa siku Mebo, right? To Mwingi, Bondoni, Mwingi, through Gatunga. This is the road connecting landlocked Ethiopia with Kenya, with the port of Mombasa. And Ruto doesn't know that. And you want us now, Mumba Ubanendongo hii, Mukese Ruto, tafadhali, the begging time for Kenya is over. You get your right. You get your right. Therefore, we have Governor Malombe here under devolution. Mwambie tu Ruto, what we want from him is to respect devolution. And wame na county government ya Kitui, we na county government ya Masaku, we na county government ya Makueni and the Wiper, and there's nothing to hide about it. Therefore, what we want is respect for the Constitution. Therefore, ile mambo kuzo mtukufu rais, tunakuja kuomba utupatie development, itwe kunyako tu, weka kuvika, hiyo ni mambo ya sahau, katika kaburi ya sahau kabisa. This is a new Kenya, na hata watoto wetu wa Gen Z wamejitokeza.